today. This is another episode on my food show, Goldmine Aroma. It is. So we're making jambalaya rice today. My grains, my long grains here. This is 4 cups. I won't do without shrimps. I told you guys I love shrimps. I have my shrimps. I have my coconut oil. I like coconut oil so much. I have my coconut oil of 8 ounces. And I have my diced sausage at 10 ounces. This is my chopped onion. I don't think onion can be too much. It flavors your food. And I have little tomato paste here of 3 ounces. And this is my 10 ounces of diced fried chicken. And this is my mixed veggies. In these mixed veggies, I have my red bell, yellow bell, I have my green bell, I have my runner beans, I have my corn, I have the carrots, and the spring onion. So let's go right into it now. Set it up and let's get going. Let me divide the onion.
Go.
My 4 cups of long grain rice is washed. You see, it's looking so beautiful, so enticing. So guys, always remember that for the jambalaya rice, the 4 cups of rice take 4 cups of water. So guys, the jambalaya rice is ready. Yes, it looks so yummy and sincerely is. Very tasty. So guys, thank you very much for sticking by today. Kindly follow us on our IG page. Thanks for always coming by. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. We always bring good content to you here. So till we see again, come and eat some jambalaya. Oh, place your order. We're just a phone call away. Thank you so much. Bye.